What's up, everybody? I'm going to do a long-term review on the Naniwa diamond stones. So this is the 600 and this is the 1000. So these are a resin bonded diamond stone, so they're more like a traditional water stone compared to something like a diamond plate. These stones will cut any steel out on the market. In my last video, I mentioned how this Naniwa Diamond 600 replaced my 400. I had nothing but problems with the 400. It was wearing very quickly, inconsistent wear, and it was very hard to keep that stone flat. The 600 and the 1000 haven't given me any issues like that. They are extremely hard stones, and they have fairly decent feedback when compared to something like a diamond plate. These stones only have 1 millimeter of abrasive material, but they should last you quite a long time. They are very slow wearing. The stones do load up pretty quickly. They come with a small cleaning stone, but I prefer to use this Naniwa 600 grit dressing stone. This tends to do a better job and leave a better finish on the surface of the stone. The 600 grit stone removes metal pretty quickly, but it does leave about an 800 grit finish. The 1000 grit stone is a fantastic finishing stone or just a touch-up stone. It leaves closer to a 1200 grit finish. So we're just going to touch up the edge on this Maximate blade, and this will only take a couple passes. Okay, so that already raised a burr. And that raised the burr on the other side. Now we'll just remove the burr with some edge leading strokes. Nice and sharp. So you can see there's a fair bit of load up even just from those couple of passes. So to clean that, I just use this dressing stone. And that's it. Takes all the load up right off. Exposes a nice fresh layer of diamonds, and it's ready for the next use. So that's my long-term review on the Naniwa Diamond 600 and 1000. I feel the 600 is a must for sharpening high wear-resistant steels. The 1000 makes a fantastic finishing stone, or it's good for just intermediate touch-ups before you want to do another full sharpening. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.